Welcome back to Techie Me. In our last video, we compared the top 3 best-selling robot mowers on Amazon. Today, we're going even bigger, introducing 6 more cutting-edge machines for 2025. If you're ready for smart, hands-free lawn care, let's dive in. Mower 1, first up, the remote control gas RC mower. This beast runs on a 9-horsepower track drive, giving it power for steep slopes and rough terrain. With a 600-meter remote range and a 21-inch cutting width, it's built for homeowners and pros who want strength and control. Mower 2 next, the AI Vision plus RTK, robot mower. Using real-time mapping and smart collision avoidance, it covers up to 2,400 square meters with accuracy. Whether you've got a yard with slopes or obstacles, it adapts automatically for clean, efficient cuts. Mower 3, here's the Neomow XSE wire-free robot mower. It uses LiDAR and vision mapping, so there's no need to install perimeter wires. It supports obstacle avoidance, app control, and even anti-theft protection. At number 4, the Husqvarna 410 IQ Auto Mower. Husqvarna has been trusted in robotic mowing for decades, and this model is wire-free, reliable, and smart. With app scheduling, a solid build, and proven performance, it's a favorite for medium-sized lawns. Mower 5 next is the Smart RTK Plus AI Vision Robot Mower. Designed for large lawns and slopes up to 55%. It's quiet at just 52 decibels. It combines accuracy, efficiency, and app-based control, making it a strong fit for demanding yards. Finally, Mower 6, the Ecovacs Goat A3000. It brings dual LiDAR navigation, precise edge mowing, and a compact build that charges fast. With coverage for 3/4 of an acre, it balances convenience, accuracy, and speed. For more details, check the description or pinned comment for links to each mower. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech gear reviews.